Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss first normal form. First normal form is the basic normal form of normalization. In this normal form, we have to maintain the condition which says that the data or the values present in a table or in a relation must atomic. Means each and every value must be atomic. Now, what are the atomic values? Atomic values are those values which cannot be decomposed further. Like for example, if we take a roll number like roll number 712. If we talk about this number is a meaningful data for our database. Now, can we decompose this number? No, we cannot decompose this number. Because after decomposition there would be no need of these numbers. Like if we decompose it into 7 comma 1 comma 2, then what is the need of this decomposition? No, this decomposition is not required. Means this number cannot be divided into further numbers. So this value is atomic. So these kind of values must be in table. Now the second point is we have to also maintain single value in each and every cell. Means you cannot enter more than one value in a cell. So what we have to maintain? We have to maintain atomic values as well as single values. Then we can say that our table is in first normal form. For example, let's take an example. See, this is a table in which we have three columns: SID, name, course. Now you can check for first column. In first column, each and every cell contains single value as well as atomic, right? Means atomic because we cannot decompose it, and single because only one value is present in a cell. Okay, and now check for second column. In second column also there is atomic values and single values. Now check for the third column. In third column we have two values, right? Again in third cell we have two values. So these values or these cells are violating the condition for single value. Means here we have entered more than one value. So it is violating the condition of first normal form. So this table is not in first normal form. Now, how we can convert it into first normal form? The basic method for converting it into first normal form is to break those columns which is having multiple values, right? So here we can maintain like this. We can make another column like this, and we can write or give name as course 2. Here we can write course 1, and for this column we can write course 2. And after maintaining this column we can update value, like we can update C++ in this cell and remove from this cell. And for the second row we have to maintain null here because no other value is there. This student enrolled himself in only one course, that is why we have to enter null here. And in the third cell we have to mention Java and remove Java from this cell. Now you can see that each and every cell containing single value, right? So now you can say that the table is in first normal form.